Guys, I just sold my 2013 MacBook laptop for some TFuel, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you why I did this and what's the goal. Hey guys, I'm Akshaman. If you want to continue to see videos where I trade small amounts of money into potentially big gains, make sure y'all hit that subscribe and that like button for more videos just like this. Okay, let's get into the video. If you guys are anything like me, we have electronics that are lying around the house just collecting dust, and we think it has no value. This video is meant to encourage you guys to go and look into what that product may be worth on something like eBay. And I saw that a 2013 MacBook laptop is ranging around 400 to 500 bucks, and we're going to actually attempt to sell this and use this money for an initial investment into TFuel. Okay, pause for a second. I wanted to tell you guys the goals of this trade in a traditional way, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna take y'all to the green room so you all really get an understanding of what we're doing and what we're trying to accomplish. Let's go. Welcome to the green room. We're gonna spell out what the goals of this trade are. We're gonna take that 400 to 500 bucks and invest it into TFuel. Boom! At the price of 35 cents, we're gonna sell it at about $1.30. This should take our initial investment somewhere between 1,200 to 1,400 bucks. Just the amount we need for this Alienware laptop. The reason why I chose TFuel is because I think it has a lot more room to grow, and it has already shown us that it has high growth and even higher growth potential as we start to close out 2021. We're only just getting started. So my thought process is, if I could get this sold for about 400 bucks or somewhere around there, you can add $100 to that, and boom, we're working with 500 bucks. That's a good starting initial investment. When we start getting that multiplier effect, a 2x, a 3x, we're able to reach our goal, which is about 1,400 bucks. So let's take a look at the overall market today on coinmarketcap.com. And we can see we have a few cryptocurrencies that are in the red today, and a lot of persons tend to run away from investing when things are going down. But this is a beautiful day to potentially make some gains. Like we see Bitcoin is down 2% after running up to $60,000. We can see Polkadot is down 2.83%. Uniswap is down 3%. Litecoin is down 2%, back to 199 bucks. So today is looking very good. So let's see how TFuel is doing. So here today we got TFuel at 35 cents. It's up 4%. And over the last few days, I've been noticing that it's been trading sideways. It's been consolidating. So this is very good news for someone like me who's just trying to make a quick trade in TFuel. I already have a long-term buy for it, but about 6 days it's been trading sideways, and I think it's going to make another explosive move up as we approach April and May. So if we go to Coin Calendar right now, we can see that ThetaFuel is having a mainnet 3.0 launch on April 21st. If we're to look at what usually happens with mainnet launches, we usually see a very high price increase as we get closer to the launch. We could go back and look at Theta's 2.0 mainnet launch that happened in last year around the same time, and we saw a huge spike up, 3x to 5x increase in the price, and then it came down sharply. We saw prices move from 0.07 cents and shot all the way up to 52 cents. This is almost a 600% increase in that short amount of time. And then quickly after the mainnet launch, a lot of persons started selling off, and we saw a crash or a correction that was almost 50% of that height. So we saw prices fall as low as 22 cents the following month. With this knowledge of what happened last year, we're going to attempt to do the same thing where we buy early before the actual launch and then sell as we approach the launch at about $1.30. Hopefully we can reach that price so we're able to hit our goal of about 1,400 bucks. A lot of us tend to hit our goals that we set out, and we look at the price and say, I wonder how much further this can go. I'm not gonna take profit.
You fool!
I am putting this on record so you guys can see that I am setting a goal, an actual sell goal, and I'm sticking to it. I don't care how much further it's going to go after this, because this is just a trading series. A lot of you may be thinking it's impossible for TFuel to get to $1.30. I don't see why it could not get to this price. We're reducing the supply. A lot of persons are being incentivized to actually purchase this TFuel and then go ahead and run a node with it. So $1.30 I think is very plausible. We could even get past that. Maybe we hit $2. Who knows? The gains, it burns, it burns. I keep trying to tell you guys, if you sleep on TFuel, you're going to get burned. After hitting my goal of $1,200 to $1,400, I'm going to move this money into a stable coin and I'm going to make my purchase through shopping.io. We're going to test it out for the first time, see if it works. So you guys should hit that subscribe button if you're also interested in trying to find out how to use your cryptocurrency to buy products on Amazon. So stick around for that video. That's going to come sometime in the summer if this whole trading plan goes according to what I think is going to happen. If you guys are excited for this, comment below. Let me know what's your thoughts on how far can TFuel go, and should I invest this money into another cryptocurrency that has higher growth potential before the month of May. I'm not trying to take all year with this. I'm Action Man. Peace out.
Hey, Rita Gaines with Unreal Investments here. And we would like you to tell us your top 5 cryptocurrencies and why you chose them. Just put your favorites in the comment section below and we will be sure to check them out. You never know. We might just do a video about your awesome list. Me, Crypto Charlie, and Action Man will be scanning the comment section for your top 5 picks.